Get ready, because these K-dramas are coming to dominate 2026. Here are the top upcoming Korean dramas every fan should watch. Number 10. Human X Gamiho. Starring Jun Ji-hyun and Ji Chang-wook, Human X Gamiho brings fantasy, power, and sizzling chemistry to the screen. A female led as a 2000-year-old Gamiho, secretly living as a top actress. For centuries, she has manipulated humans with ease until she meets a museum director and shaman who is completely immune to her powers. For the first time in her long life, she faces someone she can't control. What begins as rivalry slowly turns into an unexpected, dangerous romance. This drama blends fantasy, mystery, romance, and star power, making it a must-watch. Number 9. Mamaja Kim. At the number 9. Based on a popular webtoon, this intense thriller stars So Ji-sub in one of his most ruthless roles yet. He plays a single father and company manager who once lived as a black ops agent. When his daughter suddenly disappears without a trace, his carefully rebuilt life collapses overnight. As the investigation stalls, he takes matters into his own hands, slowly unleashing the deadly skills he thought he left behind. With only 10 episodes, this drama delivers brutal action, emotional father-daughter bonds, relentless pacing. This is a story about how far a parent will go when pushed to the edge. 8. Your Ground. Sliding into our 8th spot is a sports romance comedy starring Ha Hyo-joo and Gong Myung. The story follows a talented baseball player whose career comes to a sudden halt after an accident. Lost and broken, his life changes when he meets a former lawyer turned sports agent determined to bring him back to the field. Set in the competitive world of professional baseball, this drama delivers motivation, romance, teamwork, and 7. Marriage Perfection. Starring Nam Goong Min and Lee Sol, this is a thrilling romance packed with suspense. Just before a divorce is finalized, the male lead's wife is kidnapped. Forced into a dangerous psychological battle with a criminal mastermind, he must decide how far he is willing to go to save the woman he once loved. This drama masterfully blends romance, moral dilemmas, and high-stakes tension in just 12 episodes. 6. In the Net. A dark mystery thriller starring Kim Seon-ho and Park Gyu-young. The female lead refuses to believe her brother's death was a suicide. Driven by grief and guilt, she begins uncovering disturbing truths, only to encounter a mysterious man whose connection to the case deepens the mystery. With only 6 episodes, this drama delivers intensity, emotional depth, and shocking revelations. 5. Chilling Romance. A supernatural mystery drama starring Park Yoon-bin and Yang Se-yong. The female lead is a wealthy heiress cursed with the ability to see ghosts. Alongside her prosecutor boyfriend, she helps solve cold murder cases, bringing justice to both the living and the dead. A remake of the 2011 movie Spellbound, this drama blends romance, horror. 4. Honor. Starring Lee Na-young, Jung Yoon-chae, and Lee Chung-ah, Honor is a powerful legal drama. 3 women friends for over 20 years run a law firm defending female crime victims. But when a dark secret from their past resurfaces, their lives are shaken to the core. This drama delivers courtroom tension, emotional depth. 3. Everyone is fighting their own worthlessness. A deeply realistic and emotional drama set in the entertainment industry. The story follows an actor who, despite 20 years of effort, has never found success. Surrounded by more successful peers, he battles jealousy, insecurity, and self-doubt. Starring Koo Kyung-hwan, Go Yoon-young, and Oh Young-se, this drama offers a raw look at dreams, failure, and self-worth. 2. Apartment. Starring Ji-sung and Ha Yoon-kyung, this drama is surprisingly addictive. A former gangster runs for apartment association president to steal hidden money but instead uncovers corruption and slowly transforms into a local hero. Set within a modern apartment complex, this series blends crime, comedy, and heartwarming moments effortlessly. 1. A proper romance. Taking the top spot is a rom-com that delivers both laughs and warmth. Starring Park Hyung-sik and Park Gyu-young, The drama follows two emotionally scarred individuals who reunite as boss and employee. The female lead was once his military superior, and now she works under him in the corporate world, leading to hilarious tension, unresolved feelings, and heart-fluttering moments. This drama perfectly balances office romance, emotional healing, and comedy, making it a must-watch. So, which drama are you most excited for? Comment below, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next K-drama countdown.